Hello everyone, welcome to Robot Squad, and in today's video we'll be learning how to make an intro framework for a game in Python. So first, let's welcome the player. So let's type welcome to Hyperworld and press Now that we have introduced a player, let's get an input from the user. So let's make a variable and start is equals to input and keep it as a string. If start is equal to a, print are you a boy / girl, or a girl actually, girl, right? So gender, input, if gender is equal to boy, then let's print what is your name. Elif gender equal to girl, then print the same thing. And actually I was thinking if the user pressed anything else except for a, then else. Let's type an else. This might be a mistake. Type type A. Actually, so even if the user types anything else except for A, suppose B, X or something else, so this will be the statement which will be outputted. So after typing elif, the name, so name is equals to input, and now we type print welcome, and we leave a space over here, plus name plus welcome, whatever name, suppose welcome hypercool, your journey begins. Begins. Step right in. Right, so this is just a basic intro. So now let's try and let's run the program. Okay, welcome to Hyperworld. Proceed to continue. Are you a boy or girl? I'm a boy. What is your name? Hypercool. Welcome Hypercool, your journey begins. So that is it for this video, guys. Please make sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our channel. Bye.